Hi everyone, my name is Kathy Hutto, and in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough of a product that I wrote for little learners trying to learn their numbers and number concepts. Well, right brain learners learn best with interaction and stories, according to Diane Kraft with Child Diagnostics. Anything that engages emotion, color, or stories adds to the retention. So based on this research, I have created some flashcards to help children learn how to recognize the numbers and also the number values. So here are the flashcards. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough of this product. And then each of these flashcards has a story that goes along with it. You can see a picture incorporated with the story or with the number. And here's the story. So for number 1, when I was a kid, you could buy candy for 1 cent. I used to go to the store and buy 1 grape lollipop for 1 cent. And you can act it out. That engages another part of the senses. You're just acting it out. You're seeing, you're hearing. Hold up 1 finger and pretend that it's a lollipop. This is number 1. And then they can count the 1 purple dot on the flashcard, 1. So I'm going to just quickly go through, just quickly let you see the little stories that go with each of the flashcards, all the way up to number 10. Number 10 says, the sun was shining so brightly one day. There were 9 rays around the sun, but one had broken off. And they can count around the number 10. There are 10 rays. And then you can spread your fingers apart like a bright sun. You have 10 fingers, just like the 10 rays on this sun, on this number 10 sun. And then it has a couple of ideas and strategies for you to be able to use this for adding and also for multiplying. So there you have it. I hope that you will get a copy of these number flashcards. Math is for everyone. The link is below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.